Namaste, my name is Shobana. I'm from the corporate world and I've also worked in a PSU earlier. The daily grind of life teaches you that there is something more to life than just running in the rat race of, managing your family and your office work. So this Srividya Sadhana that I have joined is a milestone in my spiritual journey. I have been to many masters in the past and I found that this program is so simple. It encapsulates what I had taken many years to learn from, bits and pieces is just put in one nutshell in this program. And I can tell from experience that the Siddha way is the most simplest, at the same time the best and effective way, and it is something that is transcends time. It has been there for 5,000 years, means there is some meaning in it. People have lived and walked this land. We are blessed that we are in this Indian country, that we are able to give this knowledge to any seeker. And that is the beauty of this program. I have joined for level 1, 2 and 3. By the grace of Devi, it will be wonderful if I do my daily practices, and hopefully I will come for level 4. And I wish every person who is viewing this to take that small step to at least do level 1. Make that step towards Devi. The other 99 steps she will take, then you will be 100%. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Sunita. My parents and I, we've been doing Srividya Sadhana with Guruji for quite a few years already. We've been doing other sadhanas as well, but Srividya Sadhana is most important to us because we are on the path for liberation and self-realization. So it's definitely the sadhana to do for moksha seekers. I do want to say that there's been a lot of good changes that has been happening to us since we started this journey, both on the material front as well as on the spiritual front. On the material front, of course, there's always going to be hurdles. There's going to be a lot of life lessons that comes your way. There have been and they will continue to be. But the upliftment and the help that Premananda ji and Tirumular and Divine Mother have basically blessed us with has really made this a much smoother and easier path for us. On the spiritual side, I have to say there's been immense amount of transformation. We are a lot more aware of our surroundings, of the people around us, of the energies around us, as well as within us. That self-awareness has made us really, really grow on the spiritual path. All in all, just want to say that we're very blessed to be a part of this Mula Varga Siddha Parampara, Guruji Shiva Premananda ji, as well as Tirumular and of course Divine Mother. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Dr. Sri Vijaya. I'm from Bangalore. I've been in healing services for a very long time now. I'm an Akashic record reader, so a lot of what Guruji is saying, I'm able to perceive it. But being here has been a very exceptional experience. And not only that, I felt I've been guided here by Ma Lalitambika and Tirumular ji. These messages have been there, but I really didn't know where to go. Today, that I've been here, I realized this is where I was supposed to be. That's how I got guided here, and I'm extremely happy being here because I found it so easy the way Guruji has been explaining everything about life, incarnations, our progress, spiritual progress and all of it. And the best part of it is like how he has simplified it for us instead of having to go through a whole ritualistic way, hours of doing it, years of doing it. He has simplified it because he has been blessed. He is in that place to give us this direction, to practice this whole thing so beautifully and in a very simplistic manner. So I feel I'm really, really blessed to be here and also to be guided by Guruji here. And God bless all of us. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Manaja Banagiri. I'm a published author. I had actually enrolled for the Srividya Sadhana earlier, and now I had the great opportunity of calling that I had to honor and come and attend this workshop. If I really have to find a comparison for my journey in the last 2 days, level 1 and level 2 and 3, it's almost like scuba diving with an expert instructor. You're interacting with the celestial beings, the divine beings, all with the grace of Guru Shiva Premananda, who has really unlocked the secrets of the universe, if I may use the word. I'm just so looking forward to my life from now on. I only wish I had discovered this when I was 20 or 30, not at 50. But regardless, I guess the calling has to come. And like they say, the guru appears when the student is ready. I guess it's my turn now, and I'm so looking forward to my life with a renewed zest and vigor to explore, understand, and reach the heights of my potential. Thank you, Guru Shiva Premananda. Thank you, Self-Realization Center.
It was my first experience to learn about Shri Vidya Sadhana. Overall, I can say wonderful experience. I felt very good today. What I was feeling in the morning and now after in evening, what I'm feeling, I won't be able to describe it in words. But some divine energy, some divine power is there which is ruling this world, and certainly who will go through to this Shri Vidya Sadhana, they will be able to get to know by themselves only. Nobody will be able to tell on camera, on mic what they felt. It only can be experienced. So everyone who should feel that they want to start their spiritual journey without restrictions, this is the place, I would say. At the same point in time, you will be given the opportunity to ask questions. It will be patiently heard and answered by Guruji, and Shri Vidya will become easier and simpler for you to learn, to initiate. That's all I would like to say. Thank you.
We are really feeling blessed. Actually, we got these blessings for Sri Vidya initiation earlier, and so my wife got that intuition of Sri Thirumalarji.
Namaste. During a particular day during sadhana, Thirumalarji, he appeared at the single triangle after the Bindu. He guided me to this class. He gave some messages during the Dhyan sadhana, and after that I started exploring through internet. Then I googled it and I came to know about this particular center of Sri Vidya Diksha. Through that I contacted, and the day I contacted at this center, my life started transforming, and every day there was a different experience going on in the life. I mean, be it family relationship, be it the career progress, different experiences happening during the sadhana. Everything is just unique. Every day I can mark it as a milestone after I conducted this sadhana, and we are here, I mean, level 1, 2 and 3. And yesterday when I entered to this center in the morning, I was just like sweating like anything because of the energy level of the class. Extremely feeling thankful to Thirumalarji and to Gurudev for giving us this blessing through the opportunity of learning Sri Vidya Sadhana and ascending our life to achieve the purpose of life. Thank you so much.
Namaste. My name is Savita. I came to attend the Sri Vidya level 1, 2 and 3 course set. It was really amazing. I have been thinking of coming here from a very long time, but the grace has just happened and I'm really feeling so blessed to be here. The course is totally different. Guruji's Gyan is amazing. It opens all your senses and he really teaches you what exactly you are looking for. And I'm really so happy that I could come here and attend this course, and I'm looking forward to do more courses. Really great. Thank you.
My name is Mukund. I'm from San Diego, and I just wanted to quickly share my experience. It's been excellent so far. I experienced quite a bit of peace when we were going through the main meditations. All the questions were answered. As a matter of fact, all the questions that I could have had were also answered extremely well. I love the examples and allegories used, and I look forward to continuing my sadhana and coming back again. Thank you.
This is the first time I'm coming here for the Sri Vidya Sadhana. So yesterday I've attended level 1 and today is level 2. And for me, before that, I haven't started any spiritual journey. But when I started this, it is very enlightening and it is very peaceful. I'm really looking forward to continue with the sadhana and what it brings to me. With my background, I do not know anything about the spiritual, but his teachings, we are able to follow him and understand what he's trying to tell, and it is very enlightening also. It is very nice that I'm able to follow his path. Thank you for that.
So me coming here itself was a big coincidence because I have been searching for a Devi Sadhana for a long time, and unfortunately I did not get any, and this was more like a coincidence from where I found, and coming here, being in his presence, it was a great feeling. So to put it in simple words, the moment we came here, we could feel there was some kind of energy here, and that was clearly, witnessable. And these 2 days have been great. I'm very fortunate, lucky, and grateful to have received the Mantra Diksha from Guruji. I hope I'll continue to practice this for the coming months, and I hope I'll see some great changes in my overall well-being. It was a great experience, and I wish to come here again to pursue this sadhana at a higher level as well. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Karthik. I have registered for this course 3 days ago, and the course talks all about self-realization. I mean, it's a huge topic. You cannot say in a sentence or something. Great experiences here and there, where Guruji talks about the Sri Vidya Sadhana and the tools or the mechanism, how to realize yourself and how's the best version of yourself and what is the sole purpose. As I said, it's a journey. Guruji has given the mechanism and the tool how to use it. If consciously done and you're able to focus and dedicate yourself and have the discipline and routine work, I think it's going to benefit most of you, and definitely for the loved ones who's around you can benefit from this. To summarize in one word, this is positive impact, self-realization, and benefit you as well as globally across people who would benefit from you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Shruti. So I've come here for Guruji's teachings, and I've taken Sri Vidya Sadhana initiation today. It is very magical. It was very knowledgeable. Every individual needs this knowledge, and it's a divine process, and I felt that divine process in Guruji's initiation, which I cannot explain, but it's very magical. Thank you, Guruji, for this opportunity, and I'm blessed to be here. Thank you.
Hi everyone. I have got this initiation idea from one of my friend, and we took like Rajamatanga initiation and felt a difference in the daily life, and that interest made us to come for Sri Vidya Sadhana, and Guruji's guidance and answering for question and answers and all the knowledge is very useful. Like who is spiritually seeking some knowledge, it's very useful, and the space we can feel the energy here, and I'm very happy to be a part of this workshop. Thank you.
Namaste. We had experienced the divine knowledge Guruji has, and he has cleared many of our doubts, and he has opened many of the topics which has given great insights on karmic feelings, karmic baggages, or any other thing, and we are getting very great sadhana blessings over here. And thank you Guruji, and thank you for the entire team.